Right now, a nurse dragged away from a hospital in cuffs. She says she was just doing her job. The chief, the mayor, and even the governor outraged.
Fox 35 Holly Bristow live in studio tonight with what led up to all of this. Holly?
There was a crash that was caught on video, and police are saying that it was actually the victim who the police wanted to get a blood draw from, and the nurse said, you know what, I don't have consent, I can't do it, and that wasn't the answer that the officer wanted, so he arrested her. Take a look. A police officer's own body camera capturing this controversial arrest that even has Salt Lake City's police chief upset.
I was alarmed by what I saw in the video with our officer, Ms. Wubbles. I am sad at the rift this has caused between law enforcement and the nurses we work so closely with. I want to be very clear. We take this very seriously.
That's on-duty nurse Alex Wubbles screaming for help as she's dragged off the burn unit floor, all because she refused to draw blood from an unconscious patient. Investigators say the man police want blood from is a crash victim in a medically induced coma. He's been rushed in after he was driving his truck when another man wanted by police slammed right into the front of that truck. The suspect died from his injuries. The victim, Nurse Wubbles explains, is unable to give consent.
Things that allow us to do that, or if you have an electronic warrant, patient consent, or patient under arrest, and neither of those things, the patient can't consent. He told me repeatedly that he doesn't have a warrant, and the patient is not under arrest. So I'm just trying to do what I'm supposed to do.
The officer and Wubbles go round and round. She's on the phone with her supervisor, which only seems to upset the officer more.
We're done.
Fox 35 legal analyst Whitney Boan says the nurse has the law on her side.
What we're dealing with here, though, is there's a United States Supreme Court case that came out in 2016 that's made a very clear, bright-line rule that a warrant is required prior to taking blood.
There's now a huge internal affairs investigation going on. We're told that that officer was taken off of the blood draw unit, and the police chief has said that there are now new protocols in place to make sure that this never happens again. Reporting live in studio, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News.
Holly, thank you for that report. And this story is setting off a social media firestorm. Here's what some of you are saying tonight. Check out our social media wall. Awaken Unite says a nurse got arrested for simply doing her job. What has become of this world? Absolutely appalling. Jennifer goes on to say this is what a hero looks like. Nurse who refused to give patients blood to police, arrested. Heidi goes on to say cops need to be held accountable. No exceptions. And finally, Ben says tonight, I understand bad cops are the ones that always make the news, but the need for serious retraining seems so evident. Stephen, over to you.